We are learning to identify a vowel. Here is our alphabet. Alphabets are made up of vowels and consonants. 5 of the 26 alphabet letters are vowels. We have A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and sometimes Y. Y is sometimes a vowel because it can sound like some of the other vowels. Each of the vowel letters has more than one type of sound and can even be silent with no sound at all. So we have 5 vowels. We've got A, E, I, O, and U are our 5 vowels. Y is sometimes a vowel because it can make an A or an E or an I sound. When a vowel sounds like its name, it is called a long sound. A vowel letter can also have short sounds. Whether a vowel has a long sound, a short sound, or remains silent depends on its position in a word and the letters around it. So our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y.